Hi everyone, Dr. Ray from Pain Free Infinite Posture Size. Today we've got a great personal training 101 tip for you that's going to help you activate your personal training clients' glutes, both the glute max and medius, prior to workouts. This will help reduce chances of lower back pain as well as improve their performance by increasing proper mechanics. Hope you enjoy. So this is a simple method or technique we can use prior to when we work out for our personal training clients to help activate the glute medius on the side of our hip to prevent hip hiking, which is an upward slide of the pelvis, many times leading to injury and decreased performance, as well as a weak glute max and hip extension or posterior chain work, where the lower back has to compensate and what we call synergistic dominance. The erector spinae muscles start working for a weak glute, as do the hamstrings. That leads to excess tension and many times injury, as well as a lack of overall power performance. So whether you're looking to decrease injuries, both low back, hamstring injuries in your personal training clients, or prepare them to activate their glutes prior to their squatting, lunging, sprinting, whatever you're doing, this is a great exercise. We first engage our core using our proper RPI. If you don't know what an RPI is, that's reverse posture isometric, engaging the unique alignment of your clients, making sure you're decreasing any of their typical faults to lean to one side, to rotate to one side, and to activate the proper muscles in the right way. If they have a weak multifidus, if they have an overactive lat on one side, and dominant external or internal oblique muscle, it's important that you set the tension properly so that the spine is held in what we call a neutral spine or safe position. You can go to the posturesize.com website or the painfreeandfit.com website. We have a free body analysis to help you learn how to determine neutral spine and your proper RPI. Once that's set, to activate the glutes in one method, which is the beauty of this exercise, you're simply going to stand up. If your client needs a little balance, you can hold on, and you're going to elevate the leg 45 degrees back. By going back, you're activating the glute max. By doing sideways, you're activating the glute medius. Make sure that you're not hip hiking or raising that hip up. Keep the leg long through the foot as you do that. We're going to hold it for about 5 seconds. The opposite side, you want to make sure that that standing side is not hip hiking either. So you keep that hip low. That activates the glute medius on that opposite side. After holding for 5 seconds, we're going to turn around, do the other side. Again, 45 degrees back. Squeezing the buttock, making sure we're not raising the tailbone or increasing the arch of the back. You're going to use your abdominals for that. Remember, the key to many times activating the glute and decreasing compensatory overusage of that low back muscle is with abdominal contraction. In this case, as the leg goes back in hip extension, the low back wants to arch. You have to use those abs to contract to resist that, reciprocally inhibiting the excess tension in the back muscle, so you're really targeting the glute max and medius. After 5 seconds, we're going to do another rep for about 10 seconds each side, 12 seconds, 15 seconds. You can go up to 20 or 30 seconds. Generally, after 4, 5, 6 reps each side, your client is going to feel a slight pump and activation. Those muscles are engaged, they're activated both neurologically and locally. The circulation has increased, the fibers are used to sliding. You have neurologically set the low back in a position of correction using your RPI. You've also put in stability and neutral spine, so as they're squatting and bending, that's already neurologically set for whether they're squatting, whether they're doing chops, any type of clean and press. That's set, the glutes are activated, you're going to get better performance and less injury. If you like this video on glute activation, standing in standing position, feel free to subscribe to our channel. We got a lot of great tips, one-on-one tips for personal trainers out there to help you along and improve your game. Questions or comments, write in, and again, if you'd like to help me share this valuable information with others, give me a thumbs up below. Let's all increase our personal training game. I hope this video on glute activation, decreasing lower back stress, and improving performance using glute activation and the standing position helps you with your personal training business.